Today we're talking Myo-Reps, what they are, why they're useful, and how you can use them in your own training, especially if you're short on time but still want to make progress. And don't worry, no fancy science degree needed to understand this. Let's keep it simple. So what are Myo-Reps? Basically, a set of Myo-Reps is a slightly upgraded version of a rest pause set. And if you don't know what a rest pause set is, don't worry, you don't need to know for the purpose of this video. But if you're curious, I've already made a video to talk you through those, and I'll pop the link in the description below. But for now, back to Myo-Reps. Here's the idea. You do one main set, take it really close to failure, like you've only really got 1 or 2 good reps left. And that first big push is called the activation set, because towards the end of that set, when you're really struggling, that's when all the muscle fibers that we want to work are really waking up and coming to the party. Then instead of stopping and calling it a day, you take a tiny breather, like 5 deep breaths, and you go again for 3 to 5 more reps. Rest, another 3 to 5 reps, rest again. And repeat until those little mini sets add up to make an additional 25 reps, or the number of reps that you can perform in those little mini sets drops below 3. And the point of this is, as we said earlier, towards the end of the set, when you're really working hard and your muscles are fatigued, we're probably talking the last 5 reps here. Those are the most effective reps for building muscle. And so by continually doing these 3 to 5 reps without ever really recovering fully, you're cramming as many of those most effective reps in as possible into a really short amount of time. For example, here I'm doing press ups. I hit nearly as many reps as I can, going close to failure, then 5 big breaths, 3 to 5 more reps, and repeat until I've hit 25 additional reps, or until the extra reps that I'm able to get drop off under 3. It's intense, quick, and unsurprisingly quite spicy. So when should you use Myo-Reps? These are great for those who want to build muscle, because that's what these are designed to do. And if you're short on time, then these are great because you're not doing lots of full sets with full amounts of rest. It's only really one full set plus a few short bursts with very little rest in between them. Or if you just want to feel like you've really worked hard and you've been super efficient, these are a great tool to have. A quick word of warning though, these are best used with simpler movements. Think machines or body weight or less complicated moves that you won't be lifting a lot of weight with, like bicep curls for example. The reason is simple. You're going to get tired doing these, and as you get tired, the risk of something going wrong goes up. Now if you're on a machine, there's simply less risk because you can only move in a very fixed way. Likewise, if you're moving less weight, doing very simple exercises that don't require too much concentration while you're tired, it's just less risky. Also, this will likely cause muscle soreness. So don't use it every set of every workout, or it will affect the quality of future workouts, and you'll probably hate me later. Pick maybe one exercise, finish with Myo-Reps, and boom, job done. So that's Myo-Reps, a smart way to work hard when you don't have loads of time or energy to throw at the gym. Give them a try and see what you think. And that's all from me for today. I'll catch you in the next one.